So we're just getting into these cylinders. These cylinders are 500-7 grade cast iron. It might not mean a lot to most people, but they're a very, very hard wearing.
Yeah, look at that finish. Wow. And the balls.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
So polished.
That's your exhaust. These are the mounting bolts. Steam chest goes on the top with a valve in it. You've got cylinder covers for both ends. Piston goes in. Front cover's flat. The back cover has the piston rod and crest head attached to it. And the cylinders themselves are left and right-handed. So they're not actually square on the frame. They go in at an angle. So the steam chest is square on the top.
Oh, I see. Yeah. You see the shape on them.
If you put the two together, you can see how the top is not square.
Yep.
On the engine, the top will be square and the cylinders are sloping downwards.
Yeah, nice. Beautiful.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Well, this part, most people are going to recognise. It's really the heart of the locomotive. It is the boiler. Oh, I see.
Dome cover.
Inner dome cover. All sorts of bits in there. If you're going to open this with a knife, be careful, because the lagging sheet is actually on the boiler with the ceramic. I don't want to cut into the body colour parts. This is surprisingly quite a big boiler for a little loco. It's got about the same water volume as our Austerity 060 loco, which I was a bit surprised about. It also has this nice deep firebox. What that means to you running the loco is you can build a really good deep fire in it. I see. So the regulator's in place. I can see the steam take off there.
Yeah, door and the handle to go on, and various boiler fittings, which is actually all on, including fitting the lagging, which you can see in there, and the clamps.
Yeah. Cool.
That's the firebox.
Yeah, it's a nice deep fire. Excellent. This box is 14 to 24, so we can see there's all the boiler fittings, superheaters, lots of stuff, pumps, smoke box, chimney. There's going to be lots of bits in here.
Yes, blower pipe, superheater,
Yep.
more pipe work. So that's blower valve, some more pipe work there for the blower system,
Yeah.
assorted pipe work.
Everything
system.
listed, that's good.
Yeah.
You can see they've all got their little numbers on them, that will help a lot.
Smoke box door, hinges and clamps.
Excellent.
There's the dome.
That's the dome. Yep, recognise that one.
Smoke box.
Yep. Ash pan.
Pan.
Bunkers.
Bunkers, yes.
I see.
That might be the foot plate.
Yeah. And look. There's a chimney.
Tank filler cap. Safety valves.
This is going to be a proper kit, isn't it? Really components putting together, but everything's fully machined.
These are the supports for the cab roof, front
Oh,
and
yeah.
back.
Long and short supports.
Yeah, that's the strap across the back of the cab.
Excellent. I see. All with their little names and numbers on them.
Yeah, I have to reference them all through and see where we get to.
So the answer to it is slowly work your way through the bags. Don't just get everything out.
Yes, don't lose the numbers. You're lost.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you do
well,
have the
that's great.
visual representation in the book as well.
Yes.
Yeah. That should be
When
good.
when it comes to screws and little bits, it can be a nightmare. Just make sure you've still got the reference.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, excellent.
There's your drawing for it.
Yep. I see the tank is actually all stainless steel. So we've got the tank and we've got some of the larger parts. This is our last box of parts. So let's have a look in here. Roof.
That's the
Spectacle plate.
spectacle plate.
Go easy with that blade, Mr. P.
Here's the tank itself. The tank comes in two parts and we'll need some caulking to put it together. It's in the manual.
Let's have a look at these tanks. They're so nice, these tanks.
There are the water take-offs. So that's the top and the base.
Excellent.
So you can get in and screw all the fittings up, seal it all round, and then the top goes on. There's a row of bolts along here for the top ones to go on.
Excellent. And all stainless steel.
Yeah, and it needs caulking just around the top edge. And that's where it fits onto the smoke box.
This is going to be a good build.
Yeah, looking forward to it.